Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a dragon. It's a different type of dragon called an Amphiptere. It's going to be more of a winged creature, and that is pretty much it. There's a very simple, straightforward, step-by-step drawing lesson. Stick around all the way to the very end. This is only going to be like an 8-minute video, so like I said, stick around and you will be able to draw this at the very, very end, right? You'll have all the knowledge. So let's get started, okay, on this step-by-step. Before I do that, if you like learning how to draw your favorite characters step-by-step, hit the subscribe and hit the bell notification. Otherwise, I won't let you know. I'm going to put a lot more dragons on here. I'm going to make a playlist for that. So stick around. You want to see that. All right. Let's go over here. And what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to go to the face. And I'm going to go out here. Just pull like the top of the snout. Down. Kind of wiggly right there for the kind of the mouth right here. Teeth. Out over here for the top of the head. We're making this relatively small scale because I want his whole wing sticking out. Pulling a neck over here. Curve right here for the body. He's got like a serpent-like body pretty much. That's kind of the way they describe the Amphiptere. Line down here for the brow, pulling back up. Curve for the eye. Curve over here. So he almost looks like I said, snake-like. I'm gonna keep pulling this bottom part down because he's gonna have like a snake-like body. And what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna throw spikes from the head. You could throw like a couple of horns up here, maybe like so, right here. This side, you got those two horns, but then you keep throwing these like little thin spikes along the back till you hit a certain point, because at this point we're gonna, actually we could kind of keep this line going, honestly. Let's just keep it going here and draw that serpent body first. You can always throw spikes, which is what I'm gonna do over here off the tail area on both sides. And what's really gonna make it is you're gonna pull the wings out. That's what's really, really gonna make it here. So we're gonna pull up, out here, for that kind of like as the wing bends on that side here. Out, curve in, curve in, curve in. Just like a bat wing, right? Going over here to the other side, pull out. Same thing, that bend over there. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pull out this direction. And I'm gonna, same thing, curve in like the bat wings. Curve in, curve in, curve in. It's gonna be a little bit smaller because it's on the far end. And everything else after this you can add is just kind of detail. I'm gonna pull the inside part of the wing. It's gonna be a thinner line. Curve out here. Curve in this area. Curve down here. Curve right here. Out over here. Curve down. Same thing, I'm gonna throw some lines over here. Down here. Down here. Relatively straightforward. This is a serpent with wings, basically, right? But this is a form of type of dragon. Let's keep drawing some spikes down his whole body. If you like this, let me know what other kind of dragon you want to see. I did an ice dragon yesterday. Go check that out. Like I said, I am going to make that playlist and make it available, hopefully in the description soon. So watch out for that. I want to do like every type of dragon if possible. I'm going to go back here and I'm going to give him a little bit more of a jaw here. So I'm going to pull back here, up, give him a little bit of jaw, give him a little bit more structure. And what you could do is you could pull like a thin line down for the counter shading, like a very thin line, and pull it all the way down, kind of like, like snake belly, and almost, most animals have that kind of you know, different color at the bottom here. And you can throw the snake belly here, the lines across as we're doing that. So pull across, pull across, pull across, pull across. Like so. Right here, another spike. And I forgot to throw in the nostril. That's literally a dot over here. Like so. So I hope you found that easy. That was the goal of this. If you found that easy, let me know, okay? It's very, very important that you find this relatively simple, and I want to make that, you know, I want you to be able to do anything you want. This is just one version of the Amphiptere. It's hard to pronounce this version of the dragon. Like I said, if you have any other ones, let me know. If you have any other requests for other things, let me know as well. I'm going to make it happen. That's pretty much it. That's the end of the lesson. As far as like, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor and share the video somewhere. Whenever you share it, it brings back a lot of cool ideas, a lot of cool people in general, and it also helps the algorithm out. So if you did want to, you know, if you did appreciate it and pay back the channel, you know, go through and like some of our videos, you know, watch them and like them. And like I said, absolutely share it. The easiest thing you can do would be to press the share button on YouTube. When you press share, it'll pull up all the social media accounts, and what you can do is share it to something you're already logged into. So when you're already logged into it, and you know, have that share, it's it'll automatically send that out. So definitely that is the perfect thing to do. And I think that's the last of the announcements, honestly. If you want to give this thing a little bit of depth, you can draw a thick line just at the bottom. So for example, like right here along the bottom of the wings, draw like a thicker line. And what that's going to do is that's going to give it a little bit more depth, because it's going to seem like it's maybe out in the sun a little bit. Just do it look like, and we used to always do this when I did caricatures. With a little bit of thick line right here, anything that's not facing the sun. And it gives it, like I said, that little bit of extra touch and weight on that page. You can even do it under the spikes if you want. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I want you to keep it easy, and I want you to stick around. And I want you to like learn and do more. So I'll see you in later today, by the way, because I post 3 videos a day every weekday. See you later.